What's up everyone? It's me, yours truly, John Valencia, and welcome back to Truly Asia Diaries, a mega love shout out mga ka-RCFC. We're going to do a reaction for the performance of SQ Jean, Karen, and Ruel Carino ng I'm Yours sa by request sa Eid Bulaga. Yes, we received a request to check this out. Thank you so much for requesting this. And of course, before we proceed, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Hear this, guys. Tara, let's. Sino si SQ Jean, guys? Ito si Karen, eh. And of course, si Bunso. I'm yours. Ay, alam na alam ng
Okay,
Bunso.
tayo nito.
Cute ang outfit na Bunso.
Dapat guys, dapat cute tayo nito. Okay.
Ah, tatlo sila talaga. Wow. Hold on, guys. Akala ni Karen siya ay mag-uumpisa pero inumpisahan ni Bunsa apa. Ang ganda ng hagod ng Ruel. Bagay din sa kanya pala yung mga ganitong song. So let's go back to that. May nuances talaga siya ni Bossing, no? Go, Karen. Kumahat na ba talaga si Karen, guys? In fairness, maganda rin ang boses ng isang Karen. And of course, si Bunso ang taas ng hatak niya kay Jason Mraz. In fairness talaga. Ay, nagka-harmony sila. Parang medyo mataas yung timbre for Ruel, no? Medyo naghahabol si Bunso doon. But of course, nakita niyo naman, give the give and they're giving their best sa request na ito. Balikan nga natin yung part na yun, guys. Sino si SQ Jean, guys? First time ko siya nakita. Fairness, maganda rin boses na. In fairness sa harmonization, I love it. And narinig niya yung thin note ni Ruel, guys, while SQ Jean is singing. Pakinggan natin ulit. He is doing like thin note backup vocal. Diba? That falsetto thin note is from Ruel. God, ang ganda ng part na yon. Nakuha na nila, nakapag-warm up na sila sa I'm Yours ni Jason Mraz. Let's go back to that part. In harmony din si Karen at si Jean sa sayaw. Kahit malayo yung mic, naririnig yung boses ni Ruel. Fairness. Love it. Ang cute. Hey! Oh my God, nakakabitin naman yon. Wow! There you have it, guys. That is Bunso Ruel Carino with Jean and Karen singing I'm Yours. Oh my God, medyo nag-struggle sila dun sa start na kung sino magsisimula, paano magwa-warm up yung tono, di ba? Medyo mataas yung hatak ni Ruel sa umpisa. But nonetheless, I love the harmonization and you can see na nag-enjoy sila while performing. Ganun lang pala yung by request, no? Hindi talaga buo yung mga kanta. So, kasi siguro sobrang dami nagre-request, guys. So, they have to accommodate those requests. And nakakatuwa lang. And of course, as someone who's doing a request, no, kapag kinanta nila yun, parang nakaka-proud na they sing your request. Kaya naman, sobrang nag-enjoy tayo panoorin. And, of course, nakita natin ang harmonization ni Jean, Karen, and ni Ruel. At iba yung thin note ni Ruel sa sa pag-alalay, sa pag-backup vocals. Super professional ang ating Bunso. And of course, nag-enjoy tayo to watch them perform this. What can you say about this performance, guys? You can comment down below and let's discuss in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is Chule Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.